It's me, Gracia! And today, it's my mom's birthday! Woohoo!
How do you celebrate the birthday of someone who's been gone for 16 years, but still feels like they never really left? Today is my mom's birthday, and for 16 years, sinaselebrate namin yung birthday niya kahit wala siya dito. But honestly, some people leave this world, yet they never really live your life.
Happy birthday, wow, what a beautiful morning!
So naghanda lang kami ng kaunting pagkain para pagsalu-saluhan namin kasi taon-taon naman namin itong ginagawa para i-celebrate yung birthday ng aming mami.
What is that, Felix?
Kite.
It's a kite. Yes, it's a flying kite. What color is the kite? What color is it? Yellow. Very good, Felix.
O, diba? Kinabog kayong mag-English ng pamangkin ko. At ito naman ang aking beautiful lola with her best friend, na Mer. Ito naman ang mga makukulit na bata at anak ng aking kapatid. Yan, kat. Wala pa po akong anak ha. Pamangkin yani. Madami. And yo, meet my mother. Yan, yung Victoria de Chavez. It's her birthday now. And yan, ito naman yung tito ko. That anniversary naman niya ngayon. And tada! Dumating ng aking pamangkin na favorite ng aming Lula Bells.
Happy birthday, Mommy! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday. One,
Oh my God!
It's been 16 years. So, 16 years, ang tagal na, no? 16 birthdays na yung wala siya. 16 years na din na hindi ko naririnig yung boses niya. Hindi ko man lang siya nayayakap. Hindi ko na siya nakakasabay kumain, nakakakwentuhan. But even after all those years, there are days na pakiramdam ko, andito pa rin siya. People always say na time heals. And maybe it does. Pero I realize you never really move on from losing your mom. You just learn how to carry the pain differently. When I was younger, I used to think na habang tumatagal, mas madali. Pero habang tumatanda ako, mas lalo kong naiintindihan kung gaano kalaki yung pagkawala. Kasi habang may mga milestone akong naaabot, lagi kong naiisip, what would she say if she saw me now? Would she be proud of me? Would she smile the way I imagined she would? There are moments na gusto ko siyang kwentuhan about life, about struggles, and about my wins. And especially now, na mas naiintindihan ko na yung buhay. You know what hurts the most? It's not just missing her, but slowly forgetting the little things. Yung exact sound ng tawa niya, kung paano kanya tawagin, the small details memory tries to erase over time. And that's scary. Because when someone means everything to you, you never want memories of them to fade. Kakainis ka namang Gracia eh. Magbo-voice over ka lang, naluluha ka pa. Nakakaloka! Pero yun, kasi syempre nagsabay-sabay yung ating mga emotions ngayon na dapat masaya. And, yun. Yan na. Palitan natin yung tugtog para masaya naman. Hay, ano yung tinapon ni Felix?
Mineral yan, huy!
May masaya mo yung tubig.
Wala! Uy! Bakit? May bakit?
Wala, hindi rin niya nakain.
Ulak sa mga.
Ayun! Ayun!
Ano ba tayo po?
Ah! Aray ko, sakit! Oh my God! Ah! Ano ba yun?
Bakit kami na yung nagbubuhat sa'yo?
Try naman natin yung tripod ng aking hipag na si Laldos. Ito yung Smart AI Face Tracking Tripod. Yan, so gagawa pa lang ako ng video niyan, pero ilalagay ko dyan sa comment section pagka natapos ko na yung edit ko. And, hala siya. Anong ginagawa mo? Sunto ka na lang tayo, wag mo na akong saktan. Cherries! Yan, panoodin nyo dyan yung aking magandang pamangkin na si Yana Bells. Aba.
Lah, papansin ka ba? Sinusundan! Sinusundan ako parang... Huwag mo nga akong sundan!
So, it's time to leave kasi medyo naggagabi na. May kasama pa kaming adult and baby. So, kailangan na naming umuwi. Bye-bye, mami ko. And sa inyo po, mahal na po kayo.
May kapagod po. Hindi ko nahihirapan sa namin.
Hi, mami ko. I miss you. Sana okay ka lang dyan sa heaven. I love you.